Sometimes the most interesting discoveries happen when you're not looking for anything at all. A few days ago, I found myself at the end of a quiet road here in the Comox Valley. And sitting there, surrounded by grass, weeds, and rust, was an old lawn tractor. And suddenly, I wasn't standing in British Columbia anymore. I was a little boy again, back in Nova Scotia many moons ago. We had an old lawn tractor that looked remarkably similar. Sometimes the road doesn't lead to a destination. Sometimes it leads to a memory.